So, pretty simple ingredients really. We've got 600 grams of grated carrot. We've got 2 teaspoons of cumin and a pinch of chili flakes, but you could also use cumin seeds. Then I've got 140 grams of split red lentils, 125 millilitres of milk, and we're going to add a litre of vegetable stock to that as we go through that process as well. We're just going to put 2 teaspoons of oil in the bottom of this pan, and then we'll pop in that cumin and those chili flakes, and we'll just let them cook through for about a minute. And make sure you're doing this on a really low setting because you don't want to be burning things. So now I'm going to add in 1 litre of vegetable stock. And that's 2 cubes in 1 litre of water. We'll then add in those lentils, the milk, and those grated carrots. Now we need to bring that to a boil. Just keep giving that a stir until it comes to a boil. Now that's starting to boil, we're going to pop a lid on it. We're going to turn that down to a simmer and we're going to leave that for 15 minutes. So 15 minutes later, and that carrot and those lentils are now nice and soft. So now we can just use a stick blender to make a soup. And now we've got a really nice thick, smooth soup. And we'll add a little bit of yogurt just to finish that off.